Welcome to Direct U.S. Immigration's channel, where you get direct access to our most up-to-date immigration and global mobility space. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I'm going to talk about the pitfalls when applying for the K-1 Fiancé Visa. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Maitreya Brown, and I am a U.S. immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. I'm also the principal attorney at Direct U.S. Immigration, where we work with clients in all 50 states and around the world. Before we start, click on the like and subscribe button to follow our Immigration Hub to get the latest immigration information that could be vital to your case. As you know, the K-1 visa is one of the most popular and frequently denied visa applications. So in this video, we will talk about the pitfalls when applying for the K-1 Fiancé Visa so that you don't experience a denial in your application. The K-1 visa, also known as the Fiancé Visa, is a popular choice for overseas couples. The visa allows a non-American who is engaged to a U.S. citizen to enter the U.S. legally and get married. That person may subsequently apply for a green card. The K-1 visa is loaded with complications because there are several traps in a petition that could result in a case being denied. Strict procedures to avoid pitfalls must be observed. If you make even one mistake, your visa application may be delayed or denied. These are some of the pitfalls when applying for the visa. If the U.S. citizen and fiancé marry after submitting the petition before the now spouse arrives to the United States, the foreign spouse loses eligibility for the K-1 Fiancé Visa. They would then be eligible for the K-3 visa or a marriage-based green card. Also, failure to provide clear evidence of the established relationship can also result in a denied application. You and your partner must have met in person at least once in the previous 2 years to be eligible for the K-1 visa. There are a few exceptions, though USCIS may grant a waiver if the couple can show that meeting in person would go against their cultural or society standards, or that meeting would subject the U.S. petitioner to severe hardship. Another pitfall when applying for the visa is lack of preparation for the K-1 interview. When interviewing, the fiancé should show evidence that they have plans to get married within 90 days of admission. Also, it is required that petitioner be a U.S. citizen, and additionally, the petition cannot be submitted by a permanent resident of the U.S. Further, there might be limitations on some marriage arrangements, such as an age minimum and the level of familial ties. If there is a situation where the divorce from a prior relationship is in progress, but the case has not yet been resolved, then that also needs to be resolved before applying. Overall, the K-1 visa is one of the most frequently requested U.S. visas. However, errors in the application for a K-1 visa could ruin those intentions and might result in a long-term immigration issue, so be sure to work with an experienced immigration counsel when applying. I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe if this content or information helps you in any way. Comment below if you want me to talk about something in specific, and share this resource widely because you never know who needs answers to these questions. If you have specific questions about your unique background as they relate to this video, please schedule a consultation. The link is also below, and I'll see you in the next video.